All right, guys. Today, I'm going to be showing you how my funnel brings me $420 a day, as you saw in the title and thumbnail. And I'm going to show you how to set this up for yourself and how to start organically bringing in this kind of money daily. So what is it that I'm doing? I'm selling leads. I'm selling leads to business owners in the area. And I'm just going to give you guys a few ideas on how you can set it up. But ultimately, I'm just going to show you how to set up this funnel for yourselves, right? So to start off, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get in the mindset of being able to find leads for businesses, because businesses are going to pay a lot of money for these leads, right? Businesses are going to be willing, if you can find them high quality leads, they're going to be willing to pay you a lot of money. And if it's a high ticket offer, then they're going to be willing to give you commission, right? If you can bring those qualified high prospects to them. So what is it that I'm doing? Essentially, just to go down the rundown, what we're doing is we are picking a niche that generally in this niche, the business owners are more focused on the service rather than the marketing aspect. So in these niches, I'm picking, whatever it is you'll find a local area, within a 50 to 100 mile radius, and you'll do research within this area, and you'll do research on all of the home service based niches, right? Because now why is this? This is because home service based niches are high ticket. They're high ticket and they're in high demand, right? So if we have something that's high ticket and something that's high demand, these business owners are going to be busy performing that service if they're a smaller business, So what we want to do is we want to set up a website in this niche. And the idea is we want to start stealing the traffic from this niche, stealing those Google searches, right? So we want to set up a website. So you do your research within a, more of a rural area within 100 miles, and you find out, okay, what niche is lacking, whether that's construction, whether that's roofing, whether that's HVAC, whether that's, it could be pest control, solar, whether that's anything that somebody would want a service provided in their home, reconstruction, demolition, anything like that. You want to go, I guarantee you one of those niches is going to be lacking in their online presence, in their online marketing. So you're going to go and you're going to create a website, and you're going to get this website to rank number one, right? So you're going to get it to rank number one on Google in that area. And then what you're going to do is you're going to collect the leads via a funnel, a click funnel. So you collect the leads from this website, and then what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to these business owners within that niche, and you're going to sell them the leads. Now, once you get a hang of this and you have a consistent flow of leads, you're going to have partnerships with these business owners, and they're going to rely on you for those leads. And then, you can take it a step further, and you can actually implement systems into place to where you're calling those leads, you're verifying those leads, and you could even then close those leads for these businesses, getting that high commission. Guys, if this is a roofing gig, $20,000 for a new roof. If you find that lead, close that lead, these people are going to be willing to give you the 25%, 30% commissions on a $20,000 deal. That's $6,000. And so if you're able to do that, they're going to be more than happy to give those commissions to you, because without you, they're not going to have that work coming in and that cash flow, right? So if you can, find these niches, find these areas, and do this and set up this funnel, then you're going to be sitting very, very pretty and you're going to be making a lot of money because you're going to find out the skill how to bring money into other people's pockets, how to connect somebody who's needing a service done and somebody who's willing to provide that service. And you're just sitting there in the middle connecting. And once you get this up and going, you can then automate this process and you just kind of sit back and you could be in New York, whereas you're, marketing for something in Topeka, Kansas, But anyways, let me go ahead and show you how I am doing this. So without giving away too much information as to what I'm doing, because I don't want any of you jerk-offs to steal my systems, I'm just showing you, I'm using Go High Level. Now, Go High Level is a software that gets white labeled, and so whoever I'm white labeling it through is called Lead Stack. Now, Go High Level itself costs about $300, but if you find somebody who's white labeling it, you may be able to buy it, sign up for it for $30, $50 a month. So if you, basically, I'm able to set up websites, I'm able to set up ClickFunnels, I'm able to set up automated emails, I have a CRM in here, lots and lots of different things. I'm able to send out automated text messages, have like a calendar link. So anyways, here is a service that I, tried doing not too long ago. So this right here, what I'm showing you is my funnel for it kind of. So there's a couple different steps. You enter, you step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. And so basically what it is I had an English, like I was teaching Brazilians how to learn English. Me and my friend, we had a school online. And so what we would do is we had, an email collector. We were doing SEO. And so we were trying to rank high, on if somebody was wanting to learn how to speak English, we would be one of the ones to pop up. Then we would collect their emails, and from there they would sign up for a meeting with us. And you can see here, if I go to this website, if I open it up, they would then, reserve their class. It's translating it to English, but they would reserve their class with us, pick a time, yada, yada, yada. And then, after they would do that, it would pull up a thank you page. And from that thank you page, then, we would be like, oh, thank you so much, just a little video. And then it would automatically upload them to our CRM. They would receive emails from us. And then, this was a free one-time coaching call or a free one-time English class that we would have with them. And then from there, on that call, we would then sell them to be a part of our English community, right? But this is just the example. This is what we use to set these funnels up, to build these websites. These websites don't have to be busy, guys. They just have to they have to be ranked high. They have to be able to take space in the niche. And so, right, so we'd have these ClickFunnels set up like this. You host your website we'd host our website on Go High Level. Everything we would do for Go High Level, right? We would do through Go High Level. And so Go High Level is a great tool. I would look into it if you're wanting to set this up. Now, what would we do for this specific thing? We would create content. That's how we would get a lot of our things across. That's how we would get a lot of traffic. But the niches that you're going to be targeting, like I'm saying, the home service niches, you don't need to create content. You need to focus more so on SEO. So all you need is that initial website, and then you just need to rank number 1 in SEO. And so one example that you could do is crime scene cleanup. Branson, Missouri is where I live, but you do crime scene cleanup. This is the first website that pops up whenever I look this up. Now this is, if somebody dies and the body needs to be cleaned up, who cleans up the body? Well, there's a specific service for this, and it's a crime scene cleanup, right? So these people get paid by insurance companies up to $250 per hour just to come and clean up a dead body. Now that sounds a little morbid, but they get paid a lot of money to do it. And, you know, sometimes these jobs take 10, 15 hours. It'll be, $250 an hour per person, mind you. So if it's a team of 4 people, they're bringing in $1,000 an hour. So if they're in there 10 hours, it's a $10,000 job that they're doing just to go and clean up, you know, whether it's a dead body or just blood or bodily fluids, something. They're getting paid hand over fist to go and clean these places up. So how would you target this niche? Well, it's an emergency-based niche. So you would, rather than having an email collector or something, I mean, you could have an email collector, but the people are going to want to be able to call somebody right away. So you and maybe 2 other friends would just take shifts, being the person who would answer the phone. Now, you can just have this set up in Go High Level to where it would, you know, 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. If somebody were to call that number, it would go to your phone, you know? And so you would split it up like that. And this way, whenever somebody calls you, then you're going over and you're just contacting the actual emergency service, and you're saying, hey, I have this right here. You've already worked out a deal with them, and then you're selling them that lead, right? And so how do we rank number 1 is the question. Well, what I use, what me and my co-partner use, we do this for a home service-based industry, and what we use to rank high on Google to collect these leads is this software called Journalist AI. Now, this just automatically automates these software, these blog posts. And what we do, you can choose, you know, you can have an SEO article. We take a lot of YouTube videos and we just create them to blog posts. Now, for example, here's one of our clients. He's a detail service, right? And so we do the SEO for him as well. And it creates these extreme, so you can see here, we generated all these SEO articles within 30 seconds, 35 of them, and then we post them over the span of a month, right? So about 1 a day. And it creates these extremely high ranking articles. It gives YouTube videos within the articles. So whenever somebody's searching this up, one of these articles will pop up, and then they'll see your website, and then they'll go through your funnel, you know, get on your email list. You'll have their number, and then that'll be a lead that you can then sell to whoever, you know, detail business, right? And so we use this, we implement this. You can have this being uploaded to the website automatically, so it won't take a long time. You just upload your website into the software, and then it knows to post these blog posts to your website, and you can schedule them out and automate it that way. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to target in these blog posts, you're going to want to target high ranking keywords. So you're going to want to come over to semrush.com. And on SEMrush, you're going to want to come down to the magic tool. So I searched up crime scene cleanup, right? So people searching for crime scene cleanup. You can see here that there is a total of 34,000 searches a month for this. And then you can see just like a few of the different words, crime scene cleanup near me. This has 1,000 searches a month. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to target these keywords. And once you target these keywords, you come over here, you come over to your SEO article, keywords, and you just put all the keywords that you want to target. You can put it in the language that you want to target, whatever it is, you know. And you have all these prompts here in the SEO article that you just go and fill out. And this software right here basically does all the work for you. So you just find the keywords that you're needing to target, which is all of these, and you're gonna be ranking number 1, you know, within a few months. And so you'll be number 1 on Google, and all of those leads will be coming in. You'll be able to collect those leads over using Go High Level, and then what you want to do with those leads from there is up to you. If you want to go ahead and qualify all those leads and try and sell those leads, then you can do that. Or you can just go ahead and say, hey, I have this like highly qualified lead list, go over, partner up with businesses, and go from there. But guys, this is what I'm doing to make money. I wanted to share some of the sauce with you, share some of the love. I hope that it made sense. I hope that you learned something, and if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment them down below. I'll have the link to Journalist AI down below. All of the other softwares are pretty much mainstream. Go High Level is important as well in this process, but you don't need to use Go High Level. There's lots of other things that you can host a website on and collect leads from pretty easily as well. So that being said, go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on X. I'll have that link too. And go try out Journalist AI. It's free, and I'll see you guys in the next one.